Spazzing out, Pluto. Spazzing out.
Ay, walking and licking my drip, licking my wrist. AP got me sick. You could go blind, stop staring at it. I'm killing these beats, someone get a med kit. I'm with two baddies, they lit just like Megan. That mean I rhyme with a fashion of staying. Whole lot of drip, I think I might float. All wipe my coat, I think I'm the GOAT. We wipe his nose, don't give him no tissue. If he won't smoke, then we pressing the issue. Amber alerts on your grandmama phone. You talking crazy, not making it home.
So my edge tutorial blew up. Not like blew up, but it blew up. And I just feel like I do the same like routine, but I kind of do it differently. So I was like, how about I record a whole separate edge tutorial for y'all, doing like a different style or whatever. So first, we're gonna wet the brush a little bit to get like the pre-existing crusties off. Okay, so that, and then you want to wet the brush a little bit, like that. Swipe it like that under the water. Oh, it's crooked. Okay, so swipe it like that. Brush some out on your hand, right? Normally I start with this side. So let's see if I can do it. So you want to kind of separate it too. Know what part you want down, and then move the other part that you don't out the way. If it's long, just keep on swooping it. It's gonna lay to your face, but you can like flick it up afterwards. So I'm gonna go over it with the gel first, like in the old one. Same steps basically, same process, just different styles. But in case y'all haven't seen that one, then yeah, mold it with the gel. Gel doesn't hold it for me, like it doesn't stay. Mold it with the gel, got the shape you want, or kind of like move on to the next one. Repeat the same steps, and then you should hold the parts down that you like, so when you swoop it up, it doesn't move it, basically, because again, this is only gel. It's not that strong of a hold, so it can move the other parts that you set in place. You don't want that to happen. So hold it with your finger like that at the root. It's hard low-key doing it in the camera, because I'm really looking at my peripheral and I look crazy, but whatever. So that's good enough. You know, it's not gonna be like exactly how you want it, because again, unless you have like really fine hair, because I can slick down my friend's hair with just gel, but other than that, I only use this to shape it and give it like a loose hold temporarily for like the base of what I want. So yeah, it's not gonna be like perfect, but if it has like the general shape, then it's good. And then it might move some other ones, like, you know how I did this one and messed that one up. You can just go back and like push it how you want. Okay, so you see we got that, and then I'm gonna move to the other side. Okay, same thing. I can see better out my peripheral on the side. I know that's weird, but I can. Like, I can see everything. So keep struggling on the other side. But hold it, swipe, hold it, swipe. Kinda got it how you want it. And I feel like with this hairstyle, you want to bring the edges down even more, because it's a slick back. And yeah, since it's like everything's pushed back, you want to kind of compensate for that by pushing the edges out more. You know what I'm saying? You see how I'm doing that? But I can totally see way better on this side. Not even gonna lie. And this is again just using the gel. You see how long hairs bring it back? Like if it's too long, you see every time I try to push it back, like the remaining, it makes the whole edge go back. So yeah, I think I'm definitely finna cut that. Let me find my scissors I found. So you wanna cut at an angle. So you know that you will want the front to be low-key longer than the back. So I'm going up as I cut. And it's like a kind of slide cut, you know? Took this much off. And we can see how it's looking now. Get some more gel. Okay, that is good enough for now. Then this is where we do the swoopties. I normally leave, I do the regular swoops and then I do the swoopties. But yeah, so this is where the first one starts. So it's kind of like a long swoopty. So you're gonna take these, do it like you're about to go into like a regular swoop, right? But you don't. So yeah, so you go into it like it's a regular swoop. That's what you want to do. I got a bump on my forehead. Every time I brush against it, it kind of hurt. No kitty. Okay. So then you take the ends of those and start swooping it. If that makes sense. But you want to make sure you left enough here to make this swoop look like a side part and not a middle part. So you can start shaping this swoop out from that one. And then pull this down. I know it's a lot, but you can start shaping this one just to make sure the other one's right. Yeah, I'm recording a video. You heard me? Okay, so that's right, how we like it. So now I'm finna take, then I'm finna take Edge Booster yellow pineapple flavor. All the flavors, all the scents don't work the same. I'm telling y'all this now. So if y'all try to do it and y'all get a different color Edge Booster and it's not laying how you want, or it's flaking up, or this, that, and the third, it's because you didn't get the pineapple scent. So you want to start securing what you did. I don't know why I started right there. I normally don't do that. You want to start securing what you did in the order that you laid your edges down, basically. And I'm gonna do this side off camera because I can't really see it, but I'll definitely show this side. But you're basically gonna go over and secure and reshape it, and that's gonna be like the final way it's gonna look, basically, with the edges. So I secured this side, y'all, and now I'm doing this side. And I feel like I should cut this right here. Yeah, good decision. This way you do your edges, like, you know, sometimes when you use Eco, it flakes up and turns white. Like, my edges have never done that, especially while fresh. Like, it's different if it's like days old or I'm rolling around and like the buildup just, like, you know, starts rolling up. But when it's laid, like, it's laid, like, and it's no crust, no flakes, no white cast over it, none of that. So I'm still holding, you know, that I like. Okay, and then like this is the hardest part. Okay, so I already did that part. So you want to start going up into squiggly. So you want to push the furthest part back if you have any that's like long, and like start doing a C shape. Oops. Start doing like, is that a C or a backwards C? Either a C or backwards C, depending on the side that you do it on, I think. And then taking some more gel, not edge control, to do the swoop, because if you try to use the edge control to actually swoop it and it's not right, it's gonna be so hard to adjust. So okay, so that swoop is done, and I don't know if I want to take some of this. I look, you want to take some of this. Sometimes you can borrow from other swoops, but just make sure you clean up. You want to take some edge control. Normally I put some on my finger, like literally a little bit, and just place it on top of the swoop so it doesn't move. And you can take like some Q-tips and get the excess like off your forehead, because sometimes that does show. It's too much. And just like press it in there, basically. So then we do one more swoop on this side. So take the edge control, secure this down, and get some more gel, because this is going to be another swoop right here. I think, like, you know, when people have like a lot, I think it's cute. But for this hairstyle, I'm gonna just go with like 2 little swoops. Now I'm taking edge control, securing like the backward C. Mainly to secure the roots, like how I spreaded that out so it won't move. And then take some gel. Use gel to actually create the shape of the circle. And do you want the circle like that? I don't think so. I want to put it in. Okay. And then take the edge control again and pat it on top and smooth it down so it's stuck. And that is how I do my edges. Now, sometimes I switch it up and might add like another extra swoop. I do swoops by the ears, but for this hairstyle, I just think this looks best. Okay, pen. Okay. So like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you know I'm down to answer them in the comment section. Again, I'm finna show y'all the products I use, and I'm gonna put in the description. I always put the products I use in the description. I'm finna show y'all one more time. So I use Wetline Extreme Gel to do the first coat, shape the swoops how I want to. It has a light hold, but it gets the shapes or what I need, but it's not enough to hold it down for the whole entire day. So then I go in with my Ace Booster Pineapple again. Different scents work differently, so make sure you get the yellow ones. It doesn't flake, no flakes, none of that. Yep, no flakes, none of that. Smells good, doesn't turn white. Get these two and you are set. In a regular edge toothbrush or whatever toothbrush you like, and use the techniques with me holding it down. If you have coarser hair, I suggest using maybe edge control for the gel and pomade for what I use for the edge control. So switch it out if you have like coarser hair and it's just not gonna work. If water-based products don't work good on your hair, take the gel out basically, but only use a little bit when you're shaping it. So yeah, these are my edges. I'll probably do another edge tutorial too, depending on like how I change it up. But yeah, this is the finished product. I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. Like, please subscribe, y'all. Please subscribe. I love y'all. I respond to y'all's comments. Like, if you're new, subscribe. You'll love it here. I'm telling you. Bye.
Whole lot of rats on me. 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 Been banging.